my sense is running a business is a bit like baking or cooking a pavlova. So we can argue whether that's a New Zealand or Australian thing, but let's get past that. And many people have different ways of putting pavlovas together. And some people talk all about the kiwi fruit or the cream, etc. And those are all important elements. But what pavlova do we want at the end? What's the end game? And so many people aren't actually even clear about what the end game is, so they don't even know what they're building. And then some know the system, some know the process, some understand about the heat in the oven, others understand about the whisking of the eggs, some get everything organised and still haven't bought the kiwi fruit. So we've got to be really, really clear about all the ingredients, but also the system of putting those ingredients together, to what quality or quantity do we need to make those things happen. And then also, when we build this pavlova, how many people are we trying to feed? And when does it have to be ready by? And do we want it ready before the main or after the main? So business is just so much like that, but it's so easy when you understand how to cook when you've done it before, because you can take a Madeira cake and understand what you've learned there. There's some things that apply and some things that don't apply to a pavlova, but you understand what putting a dessert together goes like. Business is so simple. But if you haven't cooked many businesses in the past, and you haven't had the failures, but also haven't had the successes, often you miss out on the key things. And unfortunately in business, those things can burn time, they create risk, they burn money. So by getting a business advisor who can walk alongside you and help you from things they have learned and seen elsewhere, which I've, through my grey hair, I've done a number of things, I've been involved, I get to see those things. And also, if you know how to bake a pavlova, then let's focus on doing the roast. Let's work on other areas we don't have to spend time on. I will assist you on the gap, on things you don't understand, but also things that are so simple to me may not be simple to you. And some things you know will be far better than what I know. You can be the subject matter expert. That's fine. If you know how to slice kiwi fruit really finely, I'll let you focus on that, and I'll focus on the things that I can help you with. So make sure that when you're cooking your business in a positive way, I'm not talking about cooking the books, I'm talking about growing a business into the right type of a meal. Once you know what you're focused on, great, get with the plan, and then make sure that you can do it time and time again. Turn that handle, turn that whisk, get the same product finished each and every time, because by doing the same thing over and over again and getting a good result will actually return good profits to you.